Tears, pain, you never left my side. You remained the same, and I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and today I will be showing you all a few styles to sport your beautiful spring twist in. Also, I will be doing a little chit chat concerning those of us who are single for Valentine's Day, letting you know it's not the end of the world, honey. Okay, so right now I am just oiling my scalp with some of my growth oil. You can purchase this on Instagram at Lazy Girl Creations. Just DM me. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is style 1. It's just a plain, simple, just to the side, no rubber band, no headband, no nothing, just a sexy to the side look. Okay, so look 2 is more of a controlled look. What I did was took about 4 twists from one side and 4 from the other side, and I rubber band them off in the back, as you will see here. And it just gives it more of a controlled appearance. So if you're at work, you're holding your head down, you don't have to worry about them falling in your face because they're pulled back with that ponytail. Now for look 3, you can leave your ponytail like that, or you can do like I did for a more Nubian look and use a few of your twists to wrap around to act as a ponytail holder. It just gives it that goddess look. I really like it, but it's very optional. Now with look 4, because I cannot stand my bun to stick straight up and look like a thorn, I like to grab another rubber band or a ponytail holder and just put it on, and I kind of tuck the hair under it to hide it, and it just gives it more of a like the ballerina bun type look. I really didn't do it that good on here, but y'all get the picture. Look 5 is my favorite look, although it's not the best look for me, because since my hair is growing back in the middle, splitting it down where it's growing at is not good to have it pulled so tight, because the hair that grows back, you will be actually pulling it right back out. So although 2 is my favorite, it's really not the best option for me. So I think look 6 is really cute. I love these little buns. Again, this is not the best option for me to wear bust down the middle, but the 2 little buns, the 2 little ponytails is like my favorite. I think it's so cute. Although I know a lot of people think it's childish, it's cute to me. So yeah. So number 7 is for those of you who dare to be different. This is a style I used to always do on my daughter's hair because it was so thick. Number 8 can be done more down to the ear where you see me pulling up. All of that can be braided for more of a, the half braided look with just the back out. But I wanted to be different, so I left my side style and I didn't want to bring it all the way down. So number 9 is just a cute high pony. And for those of you who love your ponytails to be high as a kite, honey, all you have to do is get some string and tie it around, and it will accent it even more. And it will give you the height that you are looking for. Unfortunately, with me, I don't like my ponytails to fly away, girl. So once I tie that on and it's nice and high, I am going to take my hand and just mash it down. Because it's spring twist, it's very springy, so it'll just do exactly what you want it to do. So style 10 is just a cute, fluffy side pony. And what I like to do is take the rubber band like I am and bring it all the way to gather the braids up, but also it doesn't put too much tension. So whenever you want the ponytail to be semi-tight but not tight to where it pulls the hair, you just pull the rubber band over all the braids and then just let it like snap back into place if it makes sense, and you'll get a nice tight ponytail without all of the pulling. For look 12, I am going to be using bobby pins and basically mimicking one of the looks that I did earlier. Just wanted to jazz it up, spruce it up, give it a little fun look to it. So I want to thank you all for watching. And for those of you who would like to participate in the giveaway, the rules are as follows. You must share this video to either your Facebook or your Twitter. That is it, either your Facebook or your Twitter. Then come back and comment what your username is so that I can go and check it out. That is all you need to do to enter in my growth oil giveaway. I will be choosing 2 winners, and you each will receive a bottle of my growth oil. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up video And happy Valentine's Day to all my single ladies. Girl, don't worry. Our time is coming very, very soon. Fix yourself up, do your makeup, do your hair. Girl, take yourself out on a date with Jesus. That's what I'm doing. I love you all. Bye.
Daytona on the track.
I'ma pray till something happens. No more out of line.